First of all, we need potatoes. Begin by carefully peeling the potatoes to remove their skins, ensuring they are clean and smooth. Once peeled, proceed to cut them into evenly sized pieces or slices, depending on your preference. This will ensure they cook evenly during frying. After cutting, set the potatoes aside, ready to be added to the pan where we will fry them to a golden, crispy perfection. Next, pour a generous amount of oil into the pan and allow it to heat up slightly. Once the oil is warm, carefully add the potato pieces, making sure they are evenly spread out for consistent frying. Next, in a separate pan, we begin the process of frying the eggs. Heat the pan over medium heat, ensuring it's non-stick to prevent the eggs from sticking. Once the pan is warm, gently crack the eggs and add them in. Now, add some vegetarian cheese on top and let it melt. It's officially done. The most popular Balkan dish is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to pair it with some tangy pickles for the perfect finishing touch. Thanks for cooking with us and see you next time.